hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
This video is sponsored by Island-Wide Express. If you've ever shopped online and wanted your packages delivered to Jamaica for free, create your free account today. You'll be able to shop from online retailers and have your packages delivered to your doorsteps in Jamaica for free. Members also get to ship letters and documents under £0.5 pound for free. Enjoy real-time tracking, text and email alerts, weekend deliveries, and several other benefits.
Yeah, because a guy also cut off my hand.
Boy can't play that. You're mad. You must see.
Yeah.
Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know the thing going on. You don't know what's a NEWLINK there, people. Well. The last time I covered a story, on Dalton Harris. Yeah, because if you don't know, that's Dalton Harris over there. Getting his new hairdo, people. You get me, I say? Yeah. And Dalton post a video of people, and me I tell you, say, a bag of thing I go on, people. A bag of thing. A bag of comments, a bag of bashing, a bag of lashing, a go on. Zine, I saw the video. But decided I'm think I say, boy, NEWLINK, say last time, you did post a video about Dalton, a lot of people attacking NEWLINK. Because when I post a video, when Dalton did come, so boom, right? And I say, about Buju Banton, this and come and get that, the treatment of Jamaica, him not get this and get that. People, remember, and when it comes to boom and post up some picture people when he have on the belly skin and the dab and the knickers, you get me, I say, and I talk and I say, yo, the man just like a big swimmer around. Well, people, now, look at this. Look there. That's Dalton posted. Well, we're not going to attack me, I know that, right? But realistic people, I'm a yard man. I'm a Jamaican, right? See me here. Tall up in it, I get tall. I told me not come out. This a year I can plot right now. Zine, can key now. You know what I mean? And if me I go plot me here, people, if me I go key now, if me I go hairdresser, if me I go anyway, number one, barber can take them share and line it up. You get me, I say? But no barber can't hold me ear and blow dry out with no blow dryer. Zine, if I want to get me ear blow dry out, I go on hairdresser. I'm a yard man. I'm a Jamaican. Me have be truthful. Zine, so in the end, he can be doing these things, people. For publicity stunt, because nobody now really calling him and him do them something now. NEWLINK maybe run out with you and somebody else maybe run out with it like we are going right now, and he knows a lot of things that go on and so, you know what I mean? But reality is the matter. Me not burn him, I mean not beat in him head. Say yo, you know what I say, come in and see him, you know what I mean? With no body over this, so I make out and I do this and I do that, people. But these things that he posting, you get me, I say, people, is exactly because if you come to boom and show somebody, say as female, them things yeah, right? And come to boom and say, look on this. You get me, I say? Them don't know him in person, and say, look at this. What him look like here? Them are going to say one big old shark. Me I tell you the truth, people. See? But in the end, we know say a lot of people love him, a lot of people rate him, which me not hate him. See, I mean not hate nobody for them lifestyle or what them choose. But in the end, people, honestly, I we talk about me I say the bag of bashing where I go on, a lot of attack him I get. You get me? I say a whole leap. If you don't go on Insta and check him video, if you don't go on Facebook and see what he posts and I say the bag of attacks. You get me? I say which lot of females love the man. So you don't know, so them are going to say you're rare. But in the end, people, you can't blame the people them when they come to boom and I make them talk. You get me? I say we are from Jamaica. Everybody know Jamaica go already. See? Because in the end, Me can't tell a man say, yo, how to live your life, you know, or the road the way you have to choose, you know. You get me? I say, me can't tell a man say, you know, but all me can say is keep your thing around this, you know. You know what I mean? Steer around this, round a your lane, for a your corner, and you see NEWLINK, but they over your support my hands, I go and hold it, and I go and use it, and I go and meditate. So, me I stay firm and strong, see? Me not do nothing, me not nothing against you. You get me? I say, people, but in the end, what do man do? What am I do? Come on. And be truthful and realistic, people. Any straight me out there. Zane, any straight MAN out there. Because I don't even want to talk certain things for people, go take a thing a certain way and go. You know what I mean? Because you don't know the thing go. But any straight out there, people, be realistic and think about it, right? Would you, I'm asking the question this, any straight MAN out there, would you allow a man, right, to have your hair like this, blow drying it out, you know what I mean? You get me? I say, or plait it up or twist it up. Would you allow it? See, most time people, me know say, missy man, because me don't know them. I don't know no man, because knowing somebody and seeing somebody is two different things. See, if me know you, that means me and you have some conversation and me know a lot of things about you personally, which you share with me, so me know you. You get me? If me see you now, I see you or I saw you there and I see you a couple times, I see you on TV, yes, me watch you, so me see you, but me don't know you. Zine, but in the end, I saw people already who me know so them a man, wish them do them something there, so them are them type of, you know what I mean, hairdresser them who do woman here and something like people. But every time I see people, them are one big old shark. See? And nobody now say, oh, you know, so they are sharp because the way them dress, the way them talk, the way they move people. See? And the same female them who that comes so boom and go in at them parlor, go sit down and make them do them come back and talk and tell us man, they say, you know, say, yeah man, a sharp man, I'm a friend man, you know, I'm a rate my friend man, I'm a link. You get me? I say, see there, yeah there, my dog, them in the people, when they hear NEWLINK a job certain topic, you know, them a go shout out, you know, if you don't hear the rooster, you know, you get me? I say, because certain time with me I do rooster, they pan them rooster sleep, and I the dog and the cat left you make for them, you know what I mean? So they hear the dog and I come some woman and ruff. He knows that something alright, which as me tell you now, me know me I go get the attack them because every time me intend to do certain things like me, you know, if I say nothing, me fi just stay quiet. I'm a blogger, won't expect if the blogger say something we want to, the blogger not talk about it. And not like me I come to try tear down the man or bring down the body. But it's true. You get me? I say, as I'm saying, maybe he's doing these things for a publicity stunt. I don't know, I don't care, it's whatever. You know what I mean? But me see some people and me I talk about the wish. People that come for just like when me do the other one of the and say, yo, Lord, man, and do this and do that and do that. And one bag out at them choke on me and dash for me. But see the man come out big and bold now, people. Not afraid with a man in his head and I get him New Year do. See there? See? So me not nothing else to say, you know. As me telling you, say, me not be nothing against the man, and me not hold on the man. So for the artist side, Dalton, for the artist side and the good music them, you know what I mean, or you put out towards the ladies. Big up on that. But for certain side, I attack for that and not joke thing. You get me? I say, why can't play the minority? Zini mega bar where you lining up. You get me? I say, but not played minority. Zini now go come with a blow joy and blow up minority. You mad? No, sir. One, hey. Yeah, you had money, no star. See, I don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK production, people. And we say attacking of people. I don't know the thing. I just love and respect people. And say Island Wide Express people. Them are the real deal. So you know the thing. Watch the part of people. Peace out. Remember, you know, follow me on Instagram. NEWLINK _production official. On Facebook, NEWLINK production. On Twitter, NEWLINK production. NEWLINK there everywhere. Follow your people. Island Wide Express. Watch this now. Peace out. Attack! Island Wide Express people. Them are the real deal. And here why me I tell you. You see before, but they are Jamaica. Never travel yet. Seems like my last to walk one. Because I never know about online shopping. You know what I mean? And their prices always a lick me. But then I find out about online shopping with Amazon. You know what I mean? So much different one. eBay, just to name a few. Well, now people, with Island Wide Express, now with the Jamaica, we can do shopping online and get them shipped right our doorstep. just with Island-wide Express. So you see, if I don't sign up yet, people, it's simple. The link that below the video, just click on it and go sign up, people. Yeah, Island-wide Express, people, because them are the real deal. And remember, people, you can pay with PayPal. You know what I mean? You can come so boom, people, and pay with your card. Even if you don't have card, people, them also have an account, an NCD account, and you can come so boom and lodge the money in them account at Jamaica. So you have so much ways with Island-wide Express, and you get the thing them deliver right here doorstep, people. Oh, can you miss this one? If you not do it, people, may I tell you, sorry for you, but big up on yourself, because I know I'm going to do it same way. Big up.